Neiro Ethereum Price Prediction. Ethereum, ETH, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has long been a core asset in the crypto world. As blockchain adoption grows, platforms like Neiro are increasingly analyzing Ethereum's potential for growth, offering predictions based on current market trends, on-chain data, and macroeconomic factors. What is Neiro? Neiro is an emerging blockchain analytics platform that utilizes artificial intelligence and machine learning to forecast cryptocurrency trends. It collects data from exchanges, on-chain activity, market sentiment, and social media to offer predictions and investment insights. While Neiro is still gaining traction, its Ethereum predictions are closely watched by retail investors and institutions alike. Current market position. As of April 2025, Ethereum is trading between $3,200 and $3,400, after experiencing a volatile first quarter. The launch of Ethereum's Denken upgrade earlier this year brought optimism, especially with the rollup-centric roadmap. Increased scalability and reduced transaction fees have strengthened Ethereum's position as a smart contract leader. Neiro's short-term Ethereum price prediction. According to Neiro's latest forecast, Ethereum could reach a price between $3,800 and $4,200 by mid-2025. This prediction is based on the following factors. On-chain growth. There's a significant rise in Layer 2 adoption, like Arbitrum and Optimism, which contributes to Ethereum's network effect. DeFi and NFT revival. With newer applications and games on the Ethereum blockchain, user activity is increasing again. Institutional interest. Several investment firms have started reaccumulating ETH as part of diversified crypto portfolios, especially after the approval of Ethereum ETF products in some regions. Macro factors. Global interest rate cuts and weakening USD could push more investors toward digital assets like Ethereum. Risks and considerations. Despite a bullish outlook, Neiro highlights potential risks. Regulatory crackdowns. Any unfavorable crypto regulation from the US SEC or other regulators could slow growth. Ethereum competitors, Solana, Avalanche, and other Layer 1 blockchains are making progress, potentially attracting users away from Ethereum. Market volatility. Cryptocurrency markets are still very speculative, and sudden swings in investor sentiment can impact prices quickly. Conclusion. Neiro's Ethereum price prediction reflects cautious optimism. The platform expects Ethereum to gain in value due to technological upgrades and increased usage, but it also advises investors to watch for regulatory and macroeconomic developments. If current trends continue, Ethereum could break above the $4,000 mark before the end of 2025, but staying updated with market signals remains crucial.